Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share budget-friendly furniture painting ideas you'll love. If you've got some old furniture lying around and want to give it a fresh new look without spending a fortune, you're in the right place. Let's dive into some creative and cost-effective painting techniques that will transform your space. Painting techniques. 1. Chalk paint magic. Chalk paint is perfect for beginners. It requires minimal prep, no sanding or priming needed. Just clean your piece, apply the paint, and watch it transform into a beautiful matte finish. Show a quick demo of applying chalk paint on a small side table. 2. Spray paint transformation. For a smooth and even finish, spray paint is your best friend. It's quick and covers well. Just make sure to spray in light coats and let each layer dry before adding another. 3. The distressed look. Use a two-tone technique. Paint your furniture with one color, then lightly sand the edges after it dries to reveal the base color underneath. 4. Upholstery painting. Yes, you can paint upholstery. Use fabric paint or diluted acrylics for a fresh look on old chairs. Just remember to mix with a fabric medium for flexibility. We hope these budget-friendly furniture painting ideas inspire you to get creative. Don't forget to share your projects with us in the comments below. If you loved these ideas, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY inspiration, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching. Get ready to unleash your creativity and transform your furniture on a budget.